again. 1, 2.
Happy birthday!
Alright, so now we're going to sing happy birthday. I want you to stand, please.
We
gonna burn on ourselves. We're going to do the fast version.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Dashay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Dashay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Dashay. Happy birthday, hip hip, hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Right, so we're going to give her 14 clap. After 2. No, I mean, clap your hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Happy birthday! Come on.
Woo!
Happy birthday! All right.
Happy birthday, Taylor Shay. Well, this is my partner in crime at school. And the boss.
What kind of crap?
We have a camera.
And also Shay and the boss. Yeah. So I just want you to enjoy your day to the fullest, and we will talk after the party.
So, I just want to wish Taylor Shay, my niece, my lovely big partner, my partner in crime, my selfie queen, my picture partner, my Sims partner, my Among Us partner, everybody.
Don't be a foolishness to do it together, don't.
I love you and you know that you know all the details.
About years ago, because I don't remember what time I came here, my father just moved here and we went to church and I saw Mary Lou with Taylor. She was so tiny and she was fussy and wanted to sleep and they couldn't manage. So knowing me, I love children, so this is me. Mommy, can I go for her? Mommy say, I don't want. And you know, out of there in the seeing the frustration and me being there, I just get up and go over to Mary Lou and say, would you mind me holding her? And they were like, no, go ahead. And right, and after that I took her and I recognized that she was sleeping, but once she wake up, the first thing she did was bust a big smile. I mean, knowing that you don't know the person holding you, you just wake up and you just a smile, that touched my heart. And I recognized that's how she was. She has a big heart. She's always smiling and she's so loving to the point where she loves everybody. Taylor has become a part of my life. I tell Suzette every day that she is both of us daughter. So wherever I go, I would say this is my daughter. I don't introduce her as Taylor. I would say this is my daughter Taylor, or you know. And I want to thank Suzette for allowing her, or for granting me the favor of her being my daughter, sharing her with me, because I really love her and I really cherish her. And I just want to tell you, Taylor, that I love you. 14 years of your life has been great. Continue to love God, continue to have God in the midst of everything that you do. Listen to your family in everything. Listen to your family. If your auntie says something to you and you probably don't like it, don't worry, it will all come out in the end. If mommy says something, don't worry, we all been there, we all been through that. But guess what, it's all worth it in the end, because I've seen where it is impacting my life now, because I listen to them. Always there to be a Daniel. Always stand alone. Don't follow what nobody have to say. Don't follow what everybody I do. Be your own you. You can be you. You be unique, because you are indeed unique. So happy birthday. I love you and I wish you many more blessings.
Let you see what I go through.
Mommy, your turn.
Wow.
Second mommy turn now.
Me?
Yes, the other money.
Well, I hope the best for you, and you know that because you have gotten the best. You have been living like a royalty because the best is always what you get. So I hope for you many, many, many years to come. And before you go to bed, you're going to get that 14 lick. Unless your second mother carry you home. So I wish all the best for you. Long life, prosperity, and all good things.
I'm going to get the 14 stuff either way, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So, yes. And you're 1 year older, so I expect you to be wiser, smarter. Yes, give more initiative. Remember we talk about that word? Don't wait until somebody asks you to do something. Get up and do. You ready to toast?
Three, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!
I would like to thank you all for coming out today on my 14th birthday. Today has truly been a wonderful day, and even though the rain fell, you all still made it, and I am very grateful. And I'm also grateful for making it to live another sweet, glorious year. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright, you have to drink now.
Woohoo! Drink what I?
No.
Oh.
Alright. So, who's going to feed her? No, but I choke her.
Choking.
You have to eat up all of that slice, right? Not the two, but all of that.
So maybe. Ice cream on your nose. Put the ice cream on your nose. Put a piece of ice cream on your nose.
What's your
Why peel on your face?
It did.
Yay!
Alright, so with your champagnes now, we're going to play a little race. Come, Taylor, your champagne. That's what. Yes, race. Swallow before you choke. Right, pick up on a cup.
Get set.
No, this is doing like let's start over. Ready? Are you ready, birthday girl? Like you have to win in a song. On your mark.
Get set.
Pull your car.
Drink it. Go.
Go birthday. Go birthday. Go birthday.
Woo!
How are you doing? How's the birthday going? How are you feeling being 14?
I'm feeling
Irie.
elated.
Okay. Alright guys, so yes, Mommy and Shani
We be twinning hairstyle.
Not really. Mine puffier.
Longer.
Yeah, we both in long hair, but
They want to see a mouth.
hey guys, so we're still at the party.
Meet mother.
Then supposed to know mother. Rita. Everybody know Rita.
They not see that.
The audacity. Anyways, my viewers, what's up? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for, being a part of the family. Happy birthday, Shay, and this is a secret message to you. So if you don't watch this, that means that you're not a true fan. What? We're gonna pause. Okay, now let's go. Okay, guys, so I just want to say, Shay, happy birthday. You're my bonus. And if you reach this far, Shay, a crown is yours. Yeah. She a boss. Happy birthday. Yes, people. Hi guys, so just coming on to end this video. I know it's kind of short, but I did video more things. But sending it from my phone to my laptop a while ago, about 5 of my clips got deleted. So I know the boys are gonna kill me because half of their video, I had a whole thing in the end where I videoed them, you know, just saying hi and all. And I know they're like, they like big up, so they want to be in the vlog. So I know they're gonna kill me. But guys, if you did not see your part that you did at the party in the video, that's because it got corrupted. I don't know why, but it's annoying. And what I did not copy, I ended up cutting because I just wanted it to be deleted from the phone. So what I did was to cut and paste, but somewhere in that line something got corrupted and whatever happened. But I'm not gonna stress. So right now I have like 8 minutes of footage, so yeah, I'm just gonna come on and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, share this video with your friends, your family, whomever, wherever. And again, I just want to say happy birthday, Shay, and I hope you will live to see many more. I love you, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.